Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up bundles on your Shopify store. So first is head over to the Shopify App Store and in the search bar, just search for Essential Upsell, then click on Install. Then back to your Shopify admin page, just start by clicking on Create Offer. Then next is just choose the placement type. Then next, in the Content tab, under the Offer type, just make sure that you choose Frequently Bought Together since we're setting up bundles. You can also edit or enter a certain offer name, and you can also add a title. And in the button text, just make sure that you add total and compared at codes to display total offer price and compared at price. Then once done, just click on Continue to Offer. Then next in the Offer tab, you can choose the trigger whether all products, specific products, or products in specific collections. You can also choose offer between specific products and frequently bought together. You can also add discounts by choosing discount type. Then once done, just click on Continue to Design. So in the Design tab, this is where you can pretty much customize how your offer will look like. You can customize colors, typography, appearance, and pretty much all the visuals. Then once you're done, just click on Continue to Placement. So from here, pretty much everything that we're setting up is almost done, and all you have to do is click on Publish. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!